guys, I will be traveling for a 5-day trip to Skåne, and so I wanted to show you what you can or I can pack for a 5-day trip. So what I have collected here is what I will pack today, and starting with my clothes. So this is a sweater which I will keep it in a backpack, and then start with the accessories. So this is my toothbrush and then toothpaste. Then I will be packing this mask because I will have to travel in a COVID situation. These wet wipes, this is from Nivea, and umbrella because it could rain anytime here in Sweden. So I have this umbrella with me, my comb. Then I have this Vaseline. This is the cold cream for moisturizing cream Nivea. And this is Vicks because if I feel cold or sometimes have a stuffy nose, I can use this one. Then we have my vitamin D because it's very important, and then I have some multivitamins which I need to carry. I can buy it, but it's very expensive, so I will use it what I have at home. Then I have this paracetamol in case I need if I fall sick. Then I have this bag where I have kept my passport. So this is a really good backpack passport bag which I have bought from Amazon. This is my power bank in case I need it to charge my mobiles or mobile phones. And this is my wallet where I will keep my debit card or credit card. And all this stuff will go into this bag, so I will pack it up. This also I have bought from Amazon. So let's keep this. Now I have a clothing bag. I will show you what I have packed in here. So I have got 2 jeans. This is something for sleeping overnight. And then I have some t-shirt, I have 2 tops. So, and in this bag I have some undergarments which will be needed for me for a 5-day trip. And all these will go inside my backpack, and I will show you how it looks. So guys, this is my backpack. This is the backpack which I have. So it has a lot of side pockets where you can keep small things, where I have kept a pen. And if I show you, so this is my undergarment, this is my main clothes bag, and this is the accessories bag which I will keep it here. So you see, like that. And then I have got my sweater which also I will keep it, and I will show you how. So this is how I have kept my sweater, and then I will just ziplock it. So guys, this is how I have packed my sweater. So this is my accessories where I have kept my toothbrush, toothpaste, some medicines and everything, and inside is mine. So you see there is a lot of enough space still remaining where I can keep my stuff, but then I will just ziplock it like this. Mask, charger, umbrella, and my passport and wallet will go on this zip because it's easy to access it. So guys, thank you for watching, and let me know how you pack your bags, and if I miss anything, just let me know. Thank you for watching.